This is an all-in-one intelligent inspection system integrating vision inspection, automatic sorting, robotic picking, and automatic tray loading or packing. The automatic feeding system ensures continuous, stable and high-speed product supply, replacing manual feeding completely. With high-resolution industrial cameras and intelligent vision algorithms, the system performs 360 inspection degrees of size, appearance, defects and orientation. Defective products are automatically rejected, ensuring 100% quality control. Qualified products are picked by industrial robots with high precision and stability. According to your production needs, products can be automatically loaded into trays or packed into boxes with accurate counting. The system displays real-time production data, yield rates and defect statistics, enabling digital factory management. This solution is widely used in hardware, fasteners, plastic parts and electronic components industries.